So here I've got our Macan on the lift to make this install a lot easier for me and to show you guys, but you can do this off the ground. You just need to turn your wheel away from the side that you're going to be installing the side marker on. So if we're doing the right side marker, turn your wheel to the left. So that's what it looks like factory, and here's our new one. We're just going to undo some of the bolts that are in the fender liner here, and then we're going to be able to disengage this clip to pull out the side marker, and then we're just simply going to swap the bulb into the new housing and then install all that back into the car. So with both of those T25 screws removed, you should have enough access, if you've got skinny hands like me, to get behind the fender liner here, and that will allow you to pull off and disengage the clip and get this side marker out. If you don't have skinny hands, you can go ahead and use a flathead to get behind there, and you can see the silver clip. So once you've pressed that clip in, you should be able to give some pressure, disengage, and pull it out. So this is the clip that we're pressing on. This is the motion that I'm doing. And then you can go ahead and swivel the bulb socket, and that way we'll be able to change to our new bulb. So here we're going to take out the clear bulb, and our new Sylvania Long Life bulb slips right in. So once you've got the bulb in, we can reinsert that into our housing, and the housing is going to slip right into the factory bumper, and it'll clip right into place. Now don't forget to tuck your fender liner back in, and then insert your two T25 screws, tighten it back up, and do it on the other side. Once you've got both sides done, the install is complete. Here's what the Sylvania orange bulbs look like, and here's what the clear factory bulbs look like with the smoked side markers. We hope you enjoyed watching with us today. I think that the side markers look pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments. See ya.